Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Fida Farhani Iskandar. I'm from 7A, and here I'd like to presentation my research about students' perception on discussion method used in writing analytical exposition text, a descriptive study on SMAN 24 Bandung. The burning issue, the fact of existing English status quo is crucial as widely utilized international language, and expanding its use within the current system is essential. An effective instruction for students is important throughout the learning process. In order to understand the most difficult English skill that is writing, the use of discussion method can produce significant improvements in student writing skills ability. This requires students to think while they speak and is a collaborative thinking activity that aims to create a successful conversation about a topic, problem, or issue. And discussion is a social activity in which people communicate with one another in order to exchange information about a subject or issue or to seek accessible proof or a solution from Chapin et al. 2009. Next, the research aimed to determine student perception of discussion method in writing analytical exposition text. Based on preliminary observation, there were some problems in writing ability, namely the student lack of vocabulary mastery and sets from the internet when given writing tasks. Therefore, by holding a discussion method on writing, this analytical exposition, students finish the writing task by collaboratively more effectively. And you can see here, because the research question just two. The first one is, what is student perception of the discussion method used in writing analytical exposition text? Of course, this is we need to find out what is the student perception of the discussion method used in writing analytical exposition text. So the second question, how is the discussion method apply in student writing analytical exposition text? And this is also to investigate how is the discussion method apply in student writing analytical exposition text. Here there's relevant theories, and this chapter discusses about student perception of discussion method used in writing analytical exposition text. The first one here, there's concept of perception and discussion method and writing and analytical exposition. Okay. The first one is perception, because my title is perception, of course. This is very important for I placed at the first one. Yeah, we can see here the Robbins defines perception as the process by which people organize and interpret sensory perception in order to make sense of their environment. Each individual may have a somewhat different perception of the same object. And here the discussion method from, according to episode 2070, collaborative learning or group discussion in pairs or groups sharing responsibilities bargaining, discussing and contributing their perspective in order to achieve learning objectives such as project assignment or the like. And here there's writing. We already know that writing is the hardest and English skill. So yeah, this is for writing. And the last one is analytical exposition text. Analytical exposition text is a text that elaborates the writer's idea about the phenomenon surrounding. And the social function is to persuade the reader that the idea is important matter and to analyze the topic that is like tells its opinion is correct by developing and the argument to supporting it. Okay, the last one is methodology. Okay, so this research used qualitative research method with descriptive qualitative, and the purpose of this action research was chosen to provide case insight on the perception as a benchmark from both the teacher and student. And the population of this research is 11 students of SMAN 24 Bandung in 2022 until 2023 academic year, with the total of students is around yeah, and for sample is 40 students, yeah. And the data were obtained through the use of a questionnaire, interview, and class observation. The researcher distributed to a participant a questionnaire to answer consisting 20 questions. Then the researcher conducted the interview with the sample representative of approximately 10 students of SMIN 24 Bandung. So that's for me. Thank you.